someone once got me this. It was so nice. I don't know. It just, to me, it was just like a really nice way to present it.
Okay.
So it was like you're giving presents in a little Christmas instead of, I mean, you didn't have to actually like, tear it open. You just like opened it. But I don't know. I thought it was very nice. And it was Fontana that they got it at. And I don't think that's kind of thing that Monarch would have had, or a lot of other pharmacies would have. Maybe like a Ligani, I know Ligani Drug and Garden is kind of nice and stuff, but I think that's the kind of things, just little things like that, like even what you mentioned. But I think that's what they really excel at, is those kind of finding those kind of products. Because
you walk in a Fontana, you kind of just want to walk around and see what else they have. Like for me personally,
kind of want to walk out, not spend all your money.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Now, for me being a doctor, what I also like, I really love pharmacies. I don't know if it's just you or other doctors, but I like to just look through the products that they have and the medications. And Fontana excels at also having a bunch of different supplements. And so it's kind of cool to see the different supplements and just what they offer. And I'm like, yo.
So you're saying others don't have that?
Not as wide of a variety.